Hi everyone, Dr. Remy from Pain Free Fit and Posturesize. Today, a great abdominal exercise for those of you with lower back spondylolisthesis, the extension curl up. Hope you enjoy. So a normal abdominal curl up is performed by rocking the pelvis or posterior pelvic tilting so that your tailbone moves down and under between your legs and your pubic bone moves up. That's going to flatten the lower back. With that, at the same time, we elevate our lower rib cage towards the pubic bone. So there's a very short motion of pubic bone and rib cage coming towards each other as the lower back flattens out. Great exercise to improve abdominal function without a lot of spinal motion. For spondylo, since most cases of spondylo are aggravated with extension, we can make this exercise more challenging by using a roll placed underneath our lower back. Now typically this is going to aggravate most people with spondylolisthesis because it increases the arch in the back. So as we put the roll under, we're holding a neutral spine. Now if you don't know what your unique neutral spine is for your body, go to either the Posturesize or the painfreeandfit.com website, take our free body analysis, learn what your tendencies are. If you have a tendency to elevate one hip up when you do abdominal work, if you have a tendency to rotate your pelvis or your ribs, if you have a tendency to use more one internal oblique muscle than another and can't correctly engage your transverse abdominis or multifidi. This is important because all of our lower back problems are unique and we need to make sure we set our body in a unique neutral spine that's the safest for us. With that being said, once you set your neutral spine, you maintain it as you lift your hips up like a glute bridge, not changing the curve in your back, and place the towel or the, in this case, yoga pad roll under my lower back. So I'm still not increasing that arch on my back to hurt me. Then I will allow my back to arch or let that tension go so that my pelvis drops down, my pubic bone falls away from my ribs, and my ribs fall away from my pubic bone, increasing the arch in the back to a comfortable amount. If I go too far and feel pain, that's a problem. So we want to use a range of motion that's comfortable in there. Once we go as far as we can without feeling any pain, then we're going to do the opposite motion. We're going to do the curl up. Tailbone under, pubic bone up, and curl up. So what this is doing is it's taking our abdominal curl up and making it occur over a greater range of motion, which is good for spinal stability in a dynamic world where your degree of arch in your back is going to change as you're performing activities in your workouts. But it's also allowing us to challenge ourselves to maintain the abdominal control as we go down so that we don't overarch the back, so that we're working against this artificial back arching force due to the towel or the roll. So as you do your reps, even though there's tension coming up and everyone thinks about that abdominal tension, you're maintaining that abdominal tension as you come down. You're never totally relaxing because totally relaxing is going to make too much of an arch in your back, which is going to hurt you. So this trains you to keep abdominal tension on the eccentric or the lengthening part of the curl up and maintain a range of motion or a neutral spine position or amount of arch that's still comfortable. And with enough repetitions, you can hold the top position for 3 to 5 seconds, or if you want to, you can isometrically build up to 10, 20 seconds. You're going to be training not only your muscular system, but your nervous system to learn how to control the arch in your back so as to decrease the amount of force that goes into driving that spondylolisthesis forward and aggravating your symptoms. If you like this video on spondylolisthesis curl-ups, feel free to subscribe to our channel. We got a lot of great videos out there. Again, remember, if you're looking for a great program to emphasize your unique body corrections with exercise, get back into fitness, get back into workout without aggravating your spondylolisthesis, check out our Fast Track program at painfreeandfit.com. I hope this exercise, extension curl-ups, helps you with your lower back spondylolisthesis pain.